Welcome to Cruises and Casinos. We are on Liberty of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. Today is Thursday, November 2nd, 2023, and we're going to show our stateroom, which is a spacious ocean view balcony, cabin number 7230. So here's our elevator lobby. We are on the port side. This young lady standing here is our stateroom attendant.
Okay.
And here's number 7230. We put this up so we don't get lost. Let's take a look at this cabin. Spacious ocean view balcony. We're making this video late. This is day 3. Our port of call was Costa Maya. And we did not have the time to do it on embarkation day, when is usually when we do it, before even our luggage arrives. But we got on the ship very late. Okay, so this is the cabin. Spacious ocean view balcony. So let's start from the entry door. Okay, so with my back to the door, to the left would be the bathroom. To the right would be the closets. We have a rather long writing desk or makeup area. Fairly large lighted mirror. I should turn on the lights. Let me do that. First things first. Okay, the lights didn't make that much of a difference. So you have a privacy curtain here. I don't really see the use for that because it only goes out to that spot. So we have unpacked. This is day 3. The TV is pretty small for a cabin this size. This cabin is actually fairly large. The ceiling to floor mirror is very wide. It's wider than most that we've seen. And the sofa is also pretty big. These are our robes, our Crown and Anchor Society robes, because we are on our way to Pinnacle. We are Diamond Prime, Diamond Plus. We have a royal king size bed. It's 2 twins that put together makes the Royal King. To one end of the long vanity area, you have a couple of end shelves here, and in this that door, you open that up, you get your little mini refrigerator. It's a good size. And this I find to be a problem. There are no USB charging ports in here. There's just 2 outlets. So I put a splitter in there that holds 3, and then I put a larger splitter over here so we could charge our devices and have 3 extra outlets. So on either side of the mirror, you have these little storage areas on both sides. We turn this light on, the mirror lights up. The mirror doesn't light up, but the lights around the mirror lights up. There's a little shelf up here. That's your AC vent, the length of it. The room is really comfortable and cool. Here's your second storage area. We didn't have anything to put in them. And I'm not sure if these even work anymore, but they're still there. Oh, we collected 2 little duckies so far, and this is day 3. These come with the room. You have lotions, body wash, shampoos. And on each side you have 4 drawers. One is shallow and the others are fairly deep. In the middle you have another drawer. It pulls out. And let's take a look at the closets. It's like a French door closet. You can see our clothes is already in here. And there's still a lot of room. And that's me, both of our, me and the missus. Mrs. Casinos and I, clothes are already in here for 6 days. You have your life jackets, backpack, shoes, more backpacks, more shoes. We put some of our clothes on this on these shelves. And you have the safe, which is a really small safe. And then another shelf on the top. Let's close this up. Okay, let me see if I could get a picture of this for our thumbnail. Let me just put the TV screen back a little. There you go. So that could be in the thumbnail. Then we'll go out and take a look at the balcony. Okay, that looks like it's a nice thumbnail. It's not getting a whole lot of the sofa, but this is as much as it could fit in this photo. Before we go out to the balcony, let's take a look at the bathroom. Now the bathroom is a shower door. And the shower head is adjustable. Send it all the way up, bring it all the way down. Here's some of the amenities for the room, like shampoo and conditioner. You do have that little clothesline up here. On embarkation day, I usually do turn on the shower and the faucets to make sure it's good pressure and it's not clogged. So this is how the shower door looks when it's closed. It's like a cylinder type shape. It's not flat. And your toilet is tucked away in the back of that. You have another rack on the top. Then you have your regular towel racks. TP's on the other side. Kleenex on this side. And what I like about this is the faucet, the bathroom faucet. It comes out like a little shower. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but it comes out like a little shower. It's not a solid stream. It comes out like a little shower. And you have one side that has 3 showers. And the other side does not. And you have 2 little containers with glasses. Just stuck our toothpaste in here. Okay, and that's the bathroom. Here's your mirror for the bathroom. And it's lit on the top. You also have the main bathroom light. Okay, so that is the bathroom. We find it to be adequate and comfortable. This is day 3 and no complaints. That's my CPAP machine. I run my hose through the light fixture so it doesn't tangle up under my neck at night. So we just switched out the phone to the bottom. So the CPAP power cord would run from here all the way over to here. and that actually fits comfortably. Here's our little towel animal. On both sides of the bed we have a little storage area and a nightstand and a storage area to combine. And let's open up the blinds, the curtains I should say. And there's 𝐒𝐚𝐤 outside. And this is our balcony. You know, the ship is it's old. I don't have that information with me on when it was built, but it was the second Freedom class ship. But the balcony is really a nice size. I know on Mardi Gras, when I stand on one end of the balcony and I walk, it's usually 3.5 footsteps. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 chairs and a round table. Okay, let's see from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4 paces. Okay, and here's 𝐒𝐚𝐤. It was a really rainy, drizzly, dreary, overcast day, windy, so we did not go to the beach. I went and I walked around the port. Mrs. Casinos did not do that. She stayed in. And of course these lights here, you have the reading light and the regular light on both sides. And on Royal Caribbean balconies, you do have an external light right here. On Carnival, there is no lights for the balcony. Okay, this is Cruises and Casinos on Liberty of the Seas. This is cabin number 7230, spacious ocean view balcony. Today is November 2nd, 2023. Thanks for watching.